So what's good, fam? Welcome back to the channel. JD here with yet another review for you guys. Let's talk about the Sacai Waffle Racer. Now this model came all the way back in 2019. When it came out, of course, it was a super popular sneaker. A lot of people wanted them, couldn't get their hands on them. So we saw a lot of future colorways over the last couple of years. But this year, 2021, we've seen more Sacai Waffle Racers than we ever have. And in this video, I'll be talking about the latest Sacai Waffle Racer, this time a triple collab with Japanese brand Undercover. I'll be getting into the Nike Sacai Undercover Waffle Racer in the bright citron colorway. So what's good, guys? To all my long-term viewers, welcome back. And if this is your first time on the channel, my name is Josh. I do sneaker reviews and all types of other sneaker content. So if you are into that, make sure you hit that subscribe button and of course follow your boy on Instagram. That's where I drop a lot of fit pics and other sneaker content as well. So make sure you follow me. The handle is @JDKick6. In this video, I will be breaking down the latest Sacai colorway of the Waffle Racer. We'll get into how this particular model compares with some other Waffle Racers we've seen this year. I'll talk about sizing. We'll get into the quality of this shoe. I'll also get into prices, whether or not these are worth what they're going for right now. And as always, I will be giving you that on-feet look, so make sure you stick around until the end of this video. So here we go, triple collab, Nike Sacai Undercover combining on the LD Waffle. If you guys are unfamiliar with Undercover, they are one of the most influential Japanese streetwear brands out there. They've already been around for 25 plus years, and they are led by legendary Japanese designer Jun Takahashi. Now, when I reviewed this sneaker right here, the Clot and Sacai Waffle Racer, I said that this silhouette, the Sacai LD Waffle, is starting to feel like a Nike by You model because we're just getting so many designers now who are throwing their colorways on that shoe. I wanted to rewind a little bit and kind of take back what I said because it's not true, because the designers who have so far combined on the Waffle Racer, namely Fragment, we had Clot, and now we got Undercover. All three of these brands are some of the most influential Asian streetwear brands out there. Sacai is, of course, led by Chitose Abe, who is Japanese herself, so I do think that these collabs were very strategically chosen. The sneaker I have in my hand is the bright citron colorway, but this pair actually dropped with two other colorways. We got this University Red pair and also a Team Royal. Three colorways as part of this triple collab. Let me know down in the comments, first of all, which was your favorite colorway out of the three. I went for the bright citron pair just because I definitely thought this colorway stood out compared to the other two. It is, for me, the best looking colorway. The other two colorways, of course, are probably more wearable. However, this colorway I feel is loud without being too loud. And I really don't think you can ever go wrong combining yellow and black. And I just think the color blocking on this pair really nicely done. You got some nice hits of white on this leather you see around the mudguard, some very smooth leather. You also get these nice hits of premium suede. One of the swooshes underneath, you see that white swoosh done in suede. And then you also get this nice yellow or bright citron color, once again done in very smooth leather on the swoosh. You see it on the two tongues as well, and then also the inner lining of the shoe kind of looks like a tennis ball and feels like a tennis ball, and it's done in that same color. And then of course you have this contrasting black, which is on the nylon portions of the shoe. And I have said this before, the Sacai Waffles, some of them have been dropping in a mesh material like the Clot pair you see back there, and some other pairs like these are dropping in a nylon material. And the nylon material is definitely much more durable and I feel much more worth the money. Those mesh pairs, yeah, you could possibly rip them very easily. This nylon, for the same price, you're getting a much more durable and damage resistant material. The laces that come with this pair, of course, once again, you get double laces. That's the whole Sacai theme, double of everything. And you get black and bright citron colored laces. But just in case you wanted a bit more of a premium feel and you wanted to add a bit of swag to the shoe, it does come with these white ribbon laces made out of this satin material. I do really like the way the branding was done on the shoe. You see the Nike Sacai Undercover branding done on the heel counter. I like the way they did this branding much more than, for example, those Fragment pairs that had it on the side, and I thought that looked really weird on the shoe. And you also, of course, get that nice bright yellow outsole. Yeah, probably not the best best color for, you know, cleanliness purposes. It's gonna get dirty after one wear, but it does look very nice with the rest of the shoe. For sizing purposes, if you have never worn a pair of these before, for me, they fit perfectly true to size, whatever your true Nike size is. So I would suggest whatever you wear, any Nike Blazer or any Air Max sneakers, even any Jordan sneaker, and I would go a half size up than an Air Force One. Quickly looking at prices right now, so as far as like resale prices go, resale pretty much non-existent on all three of these colorways, and I am personally not surprised at all. I feel like there is a bit of Sacai LD Waffle fatigue on the sneaker community right now. It does definitely feel like there has been a lot of colorways dropping lately, and these colorways have been dropping very close to each other as well. So I'm not very surprised at all with these low resale prices, and I'm not very confident about how fast they're gonna rise over time. So if you're kind of on the fence deciding whether or not you wanna buy these, at least you can take your time and decide whether you really need them. But considering how expensive Sacai waffle racers usually are, the fact that these are going for damn near retail, I think make these a pretty good deal. All right, let's wrap this thing up. Nike Sacai Undercover Waffle Racers. Are these a cop or a drop? I definitely don't think that they are a must cop by any means. I think this is a pretty perfect shoe if you have yet to cop yourself a pair of Sacai Waffle Racers. You're maybe thinking, you know, those prices are just a bit too high. This colorway specifically kind of brings me back to those 2019 pairs. They were super colorful. I personally think bright colors look the best on this silhouette. And the fact that these are made out of this nylon material do make these a bit more durable than those mesh Sacais. I do like this colorway more than any of those clot colorways that dropped. And I do personally think this is the best colorway out of the three undercover pairs. So if you are a fan of the Sacai Waffle Racer, then definitely these are a cop. But if you already have several pairs and you're kind of on the fence, you're not really sure about these, I think you can pass on them. There are several other sneakers dropping every week. But that's about it for my review. Let me know down in the comments, what do you guys feel about this sneaker right here? The on feet about to drop right now. Thank you guys so much once again for all the support on the channel and for watching this video. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace.